5 रियासतों में इंतखाब की तारीखों के ऐलान के दूसरे दिन राहुल गांधी तमिलनाडु के दौरे पर है। रियासत के तूतुकुड़ी में कांग्रेस लीडर ने कहा, इदारों के बीच तवाजुन बिगड़ता है तो मुल्क के हालात खराब होते हैं। पिछले 6 सालों से सभी इदारों पर एक हिकमत के तहत हमला किया जा रहा है और इस सब के लिए राहुल गांधी ने आरएसएस को जिम्मेदार ठहराया है। इस दौरान राहुल गांधी ने चीन तनाज़े पर भी मोदी सरकार को नाकाम बताया।
We noticed that the wealth distribution in India was becoming very skewed. That few people were getting very, very rich and many people were getting poor. And now since the BJP has come, that has become much stronger. So we had an idea of how to tackle this problem. How do we put a floor of protection underneath our poor people? Concept of a minimum income. Doesn't matter which state the person comes from, which language they speak, what religion they are. We wanted to put minimum floor under their feet so they can never fall below it. So we came out with a scheme called Nyay, justice. And the idea was very simple. The idea was that every single family, every single poor family would automatically get 72,000 rupees a year in the bank account. And it would continue every year until they came out of poverty. And that is, I think that is the idea that when we come to power in Delhi, we are going to implement. That way, when she is not working for 5 months, she will have something in the bank.